Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it.
Tie your shoelaces.
Tie your shoelaces.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Put on your jacket.
Put on your jacket.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Don't forget your lunch.
Don't forget your lunch.
Stop arguing.
Stop arguing.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Get dressed, please.
Get dressed, please.
Sit up straight.
Sit up straight.
Stop running inside the house.
Stop running inside the house.
Don't slam the door.
Don't slam the door.
Share with your sister.
Share with your sister.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Hurry up, we're late.
Hurry up, we're late.
Do your chores.
Do your chores.
Turn off the TV.
Turn off the TV.
Stop jumping on the furniture.
Stop jumping on the furniture.
Time for a bath.
Time for a bath.
Don't interrupt when I'm speaking.
Don't interrupt when I'm speaking.
Don't hit.
Don't hit.
It's too loud in here.
It's too loud in here.
Help me set the table.
Help me set the table.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Buckle up your seatbelt.
Buckle up your seatbelt.
Let's tidy up.
Let's tidy up.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
Can you turn off the lights?
Can you turn off the lights?
Don't forget to feed the pets.
Don't forget to feed the pets.
No shouting.
No shouting.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Stay in your seat.
Stay in your seat.
Stop teasing your sibling.
Stop teasing your sibling.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Are you listening?
Are you listening?
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Let's get ready to go.
Let's get ready to go.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.